What's up, everyone? This is Chris, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in Boise, Idaho. Just got this one in. It's actually still on the trailer, so bear with me. I'm taking this video with my phone, and so it's gonna be a little different to get around it, but just wanted to get this one out there to you guys. So this is a 1987 turbo, factory 22R-TE turbo. In really good shape. It's definitely got signs of age, but as far as the bones of the truck, it's in really good shape. So I got the hood open. Let's go hop up here real quick and take a look around in here. So like I said, I did just pick this up, so I haven't done anything to it. It is not currently running, and I'll go over why here in just a second, but yeah, so starting here, actually we'll start here with the hood. So you can see here on the sticker, 22R-TE, VIN plate here. I'm sure somebody saw it, but that's a Jiffy Lube service sticker. Picked this up in Oregon from a gentleman who lived quite a few miles down a dirt road. He said he was daily driving it, and then he noticed one morning that it was running a little funny, so he looked in here and he noticed this split right here in this boot. So he started to take this apart. He's got several things taken apart on this side. He did not have a place to do this work inside, so he was outside. The dust kicked up, and I guess he just stopped doing what he was doing because there was too much dirt inside of here. So he said he parked it, never ran it. Yeah, that's I kind of took him for his word there. I did not turn the motor over, but look in here in the back. So this is the passenger side. Fender's super straight, no rust. It's never been straightened or pounded out. Everything looks really straight. It's not chopped. Core support, really straight. Looks good. This is definitely from somebody shutting the hood prop inside of here, but other than that, it looks really straight. Coming along here onto the driver's side, inner fender looks super straight, just like the other side. It's not rusted, not cut. Looking around in here. On almost every one of these I see that has had some sort of front end collision, you're going to see these. So this is the frame where it meets this cross member here in the front. These corners stick out here. Let's see. So these corners stick out. Those are always wrinkled in if it's been wrecked, at least in my experience. Looking up underneath it, it's got a skid plate there, but the ball joints on the bottom look like they're fairly new. Tie rod ends look good. Upper ball joints look a little older, but they're not leaking. The boots are good. Shocks look like they might be leaking a little bit of fluid, but nothing too crazy. One thing I like to look at is the bottoms of these control arms. Kind of see how hard the truck has been slammed over stuff. So see if it's really pounded up and has a bunch of dings from rocks and stuff. And this looks really good. Like I said, the truck doesn't have any rust. Frame looks really good. Alright, let me stand back up here. Biggie, stay. My boy's helping me show you guys the truck today. So as far as the body goes, there are a couple of dings. So on the front passenger side fender, it's got a ding here. It's not wrinkled, should be fairly easy to pop out. You can actually reach it from right here, so should be fairly easy to pop out. I said, frame looks super good. I'm gonna take a look back there too. There's definitely some dirt on it. Some paint flaking off. Definitely needs a new coat of paint. This is the other major damage to the body here. I don't know how well that's going to show up, but looks like it did have a small impact right here somewhere. Nothing crazy. A little bit of body work and some paintless dent repair. Probably take care of that. Top looks good. I'll hop back up there and show you guys the top of the truck here in just a minute. See if my dog's gonna stay on the trailer while I walk behind. Back here, so the tailgate did sustain some damage. The guy that I picked it up from tried to move it off of his property, and one of the tow guys hooked a tow hook up to this bumper, which is not adequate to tow this, and it pulled the bumper up and wrinkled this right here, and it bent this right here. I do have another one of these I could possibly include in the sale, at least another bumper with a bracket, but the back window does roll up and down. That works. A little more damage here on the rear driver's side corner. Not too crazy, it's definitely there. And another ding here on the driver's side. Front quarter panel. Take a look underneath here. So like I said, I mean, you got to expect a little bit of surface corrosion, especially from a vehicle that's definitely been off-roaded. But the frame's really straight. There's no cancer rust, just some surface stuff. So, take a look now on the inside here. Driver's door panel looks really good. Electric windows, electric door locks, power lock. Looks good, complete. Coming in on the passenger side, same thing. It's got the rear latch, front latch, windows. Driver's seat looks good. Does have a typical tear in the driver's side bolster. I know that common thought is that all of these turbo trucks came with turbo seats. If you do look though, this was the turbo seat option that was available as well. So it does not have the printed turbo on it, but not all of them did, and these are they were available. I can't say that 100% these did come with it, but these were available. Looking in the back here, back bench, same seat pattern, same pattern on it. Looks really good. It does have some aftermarket speakers with some adapters, some homemade adapters in there. Headliner's peeling a little bit off of there. Easy to fix with some glue. Sunroof looks good. No staining around it. Doesn't look like it's leaked. I do have that cover. I just don't have the actual light mechanism that goes inside of there. I do not have that cover. Center console looks good. It's got all the switches. Top of it here. Automatic, 4-wheel drive. It's your overdrive button there. Factory AC truck. I have an aftermarket head unit in here with an aftermarket bezel there on the face. Definitely homemade. Carpet kit looks good. And here is the cluster. It is the original turbo cluster. Looks super cool. I haven't actually seen it work, but the guy says that everything functions on it, so hopefully when I get it fired up it will. But dash looks good, typical cracks, nothing too crazy. Good boy. I'm coming around here to the passenger side. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I know it's crazy, but figured I'd just take a video and get it out before it sells out from underneath everybody, because they always do. It does have the rear door cards here. It does also, I'll go look through the window in the back. I don't have any power to the car right now, so I can't roll that window down, but I'm gonna show that it does have all the panels in the back as well. Got the roll bar pad. Some trash in there. Probably gotta clean that up. But for the most part, I mean, like I said, I haven't even cleaned this truck. I haven't done anything. I literally just pulled it here. It's still on the trailer attached to my truck. Don't come across these very often though. So anyways, guys, there it is. 1987 Toyota 4Runner. It's a factory 22R-TE, which is a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter factory turbo. I will sell it as it is before I fix it. If I get a couple of these other projects finished that I anticipate being done here in the next couple of days, I'll be pulling it into the shop and fixing some of the stuff, getting it up and running. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be doing a full build on this, but if I end up doing that, we'll be doing some cool stuff to it, updating the suspension, paint and body work, interior, motor work, some body armor on it maybe. But that's always an option too if you buy it from us, to have us do that stuff for you. But yeah, come and get it fresh on the trailer. Wheeler Dealer, you can contact us at 208-336-1234. You can also find us online at localwheeler.com. Email us 208wheelerdealer@gmail.com. Come down and see us, guys. Our lot location is at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. Thanks.